In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just ensuring that certain pieces of data remain untouched, knowing how to protect your cells is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in to see how it's done. First, begin by opening your Google Sheet. Take a moment to identify which cells you want to lock. These could be cells that contain crucial data you don't want modified, or cells with formulas that need to remain intact. With your cells selected, it's time for the next step. Go ahead and right-click on the cells you've chosen. As you do this, a menu will appear. Look for the option that says Protect Range. Selecting this option tells Google Sheets that you want to apply certain restrictions to the chosen cells, providing an extra layer of control over who can make changes. Now, you'll notice a sidebar pop up on the right-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your tool for setting permissions. Locate the button labeled Set Permissions and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find a variety of choices regarding who exactly can edit the locked cells. You might want to set it so that only you, as the owner, can make changes. If you're working on a team project and need to grant editing rights to specific people, you can choose specific collaborators. Make these selections carefully, considering who truly needs access to modify these cells. Once you've decided on the permissions, click Done to apply the protection. This action finalizes your settings and effectively locks the selected cells, keeping them safe from unauthorized edits. You can now breathe easy, knowing that your data, formulas, or whatever content you've safeguarded will remain exactly as you want it. It's important to remember that once a cell is locked, others accessing the Google Sheet will not be able to edit it without the necessary permissions you've just set. This is particularly useful in maintaining the integrity of data in shared documents. And just like that, you've managed to lock cells in Google Sheets on your desktop. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can help ensure that your important data stays just the way you need it. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll feel confident using this feature in your future projects. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheeting.